Hey everyone, welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to see what people offer for a flyable rideable parrot. Now I'm gonna go onto a rich server because I'm not saying like they're poor or anything. I just want to find a server that wanna treat good stuff for it. Like if I get a frost dragon for it, I'm definitely going to accept. But I don't know if I'll get that because people love the frost dragons. But the parrots, like if we look at the release date of the Parrots, like it's August 2019. If we just go here, right? Release date of the Parrot. Adopt me. August 31st, 2019. So yeah, it's extremely rare. And if we look up the release date of the what am I doing? Release date of the Frost Dragon. So the Parrot is actually rarer than the Frost Dragon, but they don't really think of it as that way, which kind of upsets me because I really like Frost Dragons, but Parrot is worth more. So we're gonna go to town and see if people like. Okay, I think we'll switch servers soon because I want to get like a server with like people with Frost Dragons and like stuff like that. I'm not saying they're poor, like they have really cool pets and stuff, but I want pets that are like not in the game anymore. So let's see what happens when we just ride our parrot and let's just see people run up to us. Wait, early this happened. If it doesn't happen, and that's kind of sad. Okay, yeah, this person's like hovering. Yeah, they're like, hey, is that a parrot? I just saw this now. Ooh, a cow. Is that all they're offering? Because that wouldn't be fair. mm, mm, Sorry, that's not good enough for me. So we're not really, it's like we've only done one trade. We're not getting good trades. But no, there are some really good trades out there. We just haven't gotten them yet because there's people trade a lot for these parrots. But I really want to get a frost dragon. Oh, trading with someone else. Okay, so see what I mean? When you have like a good pet out, people are just like, oh my gosh, I want that. Trade. Like I'm the same. If someone has a frost dragon, I'm just like trade. But they're always in a trade. Yeah. So well, this is an okay offer. I definitely wouldn't do, but because do you know what I traded to get this? I traded a flyable, rideable, um, evil unicorn. Yeah, I got an evil unicorn, and like nearly all my legendaries. Like I like literally, I traded two snow owls, two T-Rexes, um, loads of other things. I just don't remember what they were. So yeah, I traded a lot for this, but I love him, Starburst. So yeah, he's thirsty. Let's change servers. So yeah, we're changing servers. I think the person who said please was talking to me, but yeah. Okay, let's try and find a different server because that one wasn't working. Let's just click on this one. I like to choose servers that are full because then you have a higher chance because if there's like so much more people, then one of them might have a frost dragon or something. I'm talking a lot about frost dragons, but yeah. And they say you won't be able to get a shadow dragon from it, but a shadow dragon is actually less rare than it. It's from October. So you could get a shadow dragon, but like I don't know why people don't like they don't. They're like no. Uh-uh. It's really sad. Okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, someone already has a parrot. So that's sad. Cause then like they're all probably gonna be over him. Look, I have a parrot too. Hey. And mine's full grown, so what do they name it? Tropical. Mine's Starburst. It's just kind of nice, but like yeah. We're not getting any trade requests. That's probably because they're all on this person. They're kind of like, who are you? Okay, I'm gonna switch servers again. Oh, trade requests. Let's just see if they have anything nice to offer. Oh, Buffalo. Not really what I was thinking about, but nice offer, I guess. Okay, so oh, another trade. once the trades stop coming in, we're gonna switch servers again. I'm switching servers a lot. It's because I need to get like rich people. I know I'm not rich, but oh, let's just leave. Okay, let's go find a different server. Let's just join this one. Okay. Come on. Okay, it's full? No. Let's just X out and then find a different one. Oops. Don't know what I did there, but this one looks fine, I guess. Let's just click this one, hoping that it'll be better. It's full. Yay. And click. I just like no one to click. Okay, we're just gonna look for different ones. Okay. I don't know which one to click. Let's just click this one. Okay, we're clicking this one, hoping that we'll get better trades in this server. Why are they all full? Click. I just know when to click. Oh, that one looked good, but I don't. Okay. Come on, we need to get onto. Why? You're all full. Oh, oops. That was kind of sad, but okay. What about this one? This one looks good. Okay. I just think I'm like, I look for people with Robux in there. I know. I don't know if they've Robux. Maybe they like if they play the game for longer. If they're like new to the game, and then they probably won't have Robux straight away. So I'm kind of just looking for Robux. I know. I'm sorry if you have Robux and your character isn't like that, because I've met people like that, and I'm like, why didn't you spend on their character? Like they're like, there's no use spending on your character. So yeah. Ooh. This one doesn't look too bad. Okay. We might actually get some good trades. I'm gonna go there. It's kind of laggy because there's so many people. So there's just me and my parrot and a trade request. Was that a giant frog? I think I just saw a giant frog. Oh no, it's just okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Oh my gosh, it's so good, guys! I need a private chat with them. OMG, this is such a good trade. I don't know what to do. I I am so sorry. I am going to decline, but because I am looking for pet pets that are out of the game. And sad face. I feel so bad for them. Uh, I feel so bad because it was so good. This server's so good. Okay, that's not really that good of a trade. What is that? Amber earrings. I've never seen that before. This is so stressful because they're good trade. They're honestly good. I don't know what to do. They're just too good for me. Too many trade requests. I can't take this. Oh my gosh. If you guys have a parrot, you know how rare they are. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. These are so good. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can make it just like 3 neons. Okay. /W uni. Oh, OMG! This server is on fire. Thank you. But this won't do it. Do it. Sorry. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I can't. I just can't. This is too good. Okay, this one is not really catching my eye, but I just saw someone has an elephant. They said I would have had to had it after. No, I feel like she's scamming me. She's like telling me to come. I don't want to come. I don't know what to do. But you might slash W. What's her name again? Unicorn. But you might scam me. Scam me. I don't know why I have caps on. Okay, I like T-Rex. I mean, those Scully Rex, but yeah. Okay, they said I won't just come. Okay, sorry. What's her name? I keep getting sorry. No, I feel kind of bad though, because like just come with me. Cross dragon. I do that. They're in a trade. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna trade them. I need to trade them. I need to trade them so badly. Look, a fly ride parrot. What do you think? This is that though. They said add. No, that's so fair. My gosh, why is everyone like with Frost Dragon so picky? Ugh. My gosh. My gosh, my gosh, gosh. Okay, I will come just to see. Okay, I'm gonna follow her. I don't know if I'm getting scammed, but let's just, oops. I don't know why that happens to me. Like, it just keeps going. What does she want me to do? That's kind of scared. Scary. I don't know what she wants me to do. I just want to show what. Okay. Dot dot dot. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But she wants to show me all her pets. I don't really want to see your pets. I don't want to see your pets. I'm sorry. But okay. I don't know what she wants me to do. She's so many snow owls. I don't know. Okay, she's cool pets, but I don't like. Is she like just adding the same things? She's a mega neon otter. What? How? Oh my gosh, no. This is just. Woo. Oh, but yeah, don't care. Well, no, I do care, but like it's just I don't know what I'm supposed to say. There's some really good trades, so what does she want me to do? She says, "There's what pets would you like?" For Parrot, sorry, I don't think I will trade my Parrot. Unless it is a Frost Dragon or like Shadow Dragon. Because that's what I want to do. That's what I'm doing. I took one of your cat. Is that literally? I mean, a meerkat is rare, but can you friend me and think about it? Sorry, I can't. Can't friend strangers. I'm friend strangers. That just sounds creepy, but okay. Yeah, but fine. What? Okay. Yeah. I mean, I love my parrot. I don't think I'll trade it, so unless it's a frost dragon, by the way. I think that you should add things if you're putting a frost dragon. You should add. That's not fair. Like I'm just like no. Let's just switch servers. This one's good, but they don't know the value of things. It annoys me. Okay. I don't even know how long I've been recording for. I just hope it's not too long. Let's just join this one. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I don't like. I just feel bad when people are like, please. Like, I had an Arctic reindeer, and people are just like, please, it's my dream pet. It's for my friend. I love her. Please. She does everything for me. And I just wanted to gift her. Please. I'm so sorry. I can't. I didn't know what to do. I got like a really good trade for my parrot. I'm like, oh my gosh, someone would definitely do it. Because someone traded me a neon flyable rideable elephant and a neon flyable rideable turtle. I didn't accept. I wanted to so bad. I was like, accept. But I thought I could get a better trade, and I haven't gotten a better trade than that. So, yeah. I'm just trying to get the best. I don't like, yeah. Oh, there's nobody here. Yeah. Ah, okay. Let's just join this one. I'm just randomly joining random servers, so yeah. Okay, we got into it. Okay. What do we have? Like, okay. Do any of them have like adopt me in their name? Like, I don't know what I'm looking for. Come on. Let's look at the chat. If it goes fast and like, yeah, look. Like they're talking about like pets and stuff, like trading, then you know that it's a good server. But then sometimes, yeah, look. Trading rare broom. Where's the legend? They're trading a broom. That's the oh my god! It's so good. I can't take it. Oh my gosh, this is a great server. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is such a good server. Wow. Just wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Someone has a Megan on Blue Dog. Uh, Oh, this is good. Oh. I'm looking at this. I'm gonna private chat with them. Roblox underscore wow. Great trade. But it just won't work for me. Okay, there we go. Okay. Someone has a shadow dragon, but I don't think they're gonna trade for my parrot. They said they're gonna add after. So every time someone says that, it's always a scam. I wish someone didn't scam me. Okay, got a trade request. What do they want to add? What do they want to add? Come on. Nothing? Oh, that's it. It's this. It's okay. I'm gonna decline. It's just not really my kind of deal. So, wow, a lot of trade requests. Okay, this is the same person you're trading before. I'm just gonna. Sorry. Okay, come on. I wanna. Okay, let's just accept this. Okay, I like frost dragons, but that's that's just not a good trade. Sorry. That's it. Ooh. Okay. No. So many trade requests. I got onto a good server. I got onto a good server and we're getting good trade requests. That's it? Ooh. I'm gonna have declines. Decline, sorry. Okay. Okay. I got this. They're gonna decline. Watch this happen in front of your eyes. They're just gonna get, yeah, I knew it. Why? Always do that. Uh, uh, um, Come on, just accept my trade. Okay, there we go. Let's put it in. Ah, come on. Despair. Why don't they like it? Oh, oh, I love kangaroos, but sorry, that just won't be worth it for me. It's a decline. I could do this all day. It just the overwhelming trade requests just coming in. I just really wanted like one of those dragons. They're just so cool. Like a frost dragon or shadow dragon. I just need it. Some of the bathtub thing. Well. No one's trading me. It's so sad. It's a Meganion unicorn. That's cool. Why won't anyone trade me? Okay, got a trade request. Oh, trading with someone else. Yeah. Wow, great. I don't know what like to do. Like we're not really getting many trade requests, but we are. Sorry. Let's trade requests, but like it's because they have a neon Parrot. They said Polly is never ever for trade. Okay, well they're not trading their Parrot, so yeah. Oh no. Sorry, this is not for me. I really want the Shadow Dragon though. That's why all humans ignore me. I don't know what they mean, but okay. I don't know what to do. They have Mega Neon Kangaroo. Some people have like a really good traits. Your favorite part-time streamer. Oh my gosh, I just can't, can't do this. I don't know why I'm doing American accent. Can't. Sorry, just that's me. Okay, come on, anyone? Your dream pet is a shadow dragon. I don't have a shadow dragon. I love reading what people have in their like head. Okay, they just have a normal name. They have a broken heart. Oh, sad. Oh, yep. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you kind of got some knowledge. If you have a parrot and you don't know what it's worth or something, let me just tell you, it is worth a frost dragon or a shadow dragon if you could do that. But they just don't think that's good. So you probably won't get that kind of trade, but if you do, definitely accept because the shadow and frost dragons are worth more than you think of just one last trade. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. If you have Flyby Parrot, or just a parrot, or a neon parrot, or something like that. That's it. Oh, well, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button and the like button so you officially joined the Potato Squad. And hit that bell if you never want to miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.